Hello, welcome to my strategy session. Today, let's talk about what I call the things you value in life. What do you value in life? As a human being, we all value some things, and we place so much value on them. We will spend so much money on them to maintain them. It could be a lifestyle. It could be some food we want. It could be some dresses. It could be some outings on Fridays or Mondays or Saturdays, Sundays. It could be some friends we want to have around. What are the things you value in life? Where your heart is, there your treasure will be. Do you value things more than human beings? Do you value things more than personalities? Maybe you value personalities. Maybe you want to keep fit, you want to go to the gym. You don't take certain food, you have certain way of sleeping. You have a particular time you sleep, some particular food you eat. What do you value in life? Remember, the things you value can influence your decisions in life. Remember, the things you value can cause you to have a lifestyle. Remember, the things you value create a lifestyle problem for you. If you don't value them properly and you don't manage them properly, then you could be leading to negativity. If you value these things properly, then you will cherish them. Do you value family? Do you value personality, relationship? Do you value money? Then you will work for it. Do you value relationship? Then you will fight for it. Do you value teamwork? Then you will work towards it. Do you value peace? Then you will work towards it and behave in a manner that do not generate into chaos and war and tribal wars and family hatred. Do you value sustainability? Then you will plan towards it. Do you value good health? Then you will take your life seriously. Stop eating the things that gives you problems. Stop eating the things that will give you health challenges. Do you value education? Then you will pursue. Don't become lazy as a student. Do you value excellence? Then you will ascribe to it. Do you value integrity? Then you will work with people who have integrity. Do you value productivity? Then your output will be high. What do you value in life? The things you value matters. What do you value? The things you value will also cause the people that will come around you. You cannot value excellence and your environment is dirty. You cannot value excellence and you are not living to it. Your expectations in life determines the things you value. How do you want to live this world? Do you want to leave a legacy for your children's children? Then you will work towards it. Do you value to become a professor? You ascribe to academic excellence, then you will work towards it. What do you value? If you live a life of valuelessness, then nobody takes you seriously. You have to value yourself at least. If nobody values you, you must value yourself. You must place yourself on the pedestal that people will value you. How is your outlook like? How do you relate with people? Your socialization. How do you speak to people? Do you value your words? Then you will take them seriously. You will not make promises and you will not keep them. Do you value your spirituality? Then you will draw closer to God. Drawing closer to God shows that you ask Him to take charge of your life. Then He will guide you, He will lead you. How do you want to depart from this earth? Then you will plan your burial. Do you want to live and die and create problems for your family? Prepare your will and speak to your family about the will before you die. What do you value in life? Is it some kind of a weird lifestyle that nobody can talk to you and you don't want to change? There are implications and effects of everything we value in this life, either to the positive or either to the negative. Begin to review your value systems and begin to take out those that do not help you and take out those that will not help you. I remember that I work in an institution and they give you a plain sheet to fill a form. Your value system must match up the values of the company. If they don't and they dispatch so badly, the deviation is so high, you don't get employed. What are your value systems? Work on them. Until I come your way again, this is your regular host, Richard Kumado, a pastor and a consultant. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get in touch and let's get a job done on 024-8533-466. Until I come your way again, value good and value yourself. Be inspired and be productive. Thank you and God bless you.